In here in Honor of Kings is very nice to watch and play. And here is the heroes. Did you see the rankings of the each heroes? Did you see the green? So I have my own. So a lot of here it's um for beginner rank. But this green, it has a rank. So this is
I don't need crystals, as long as I have my Slayer's Blade.
The rank of no. The veteran ranking guys. If no rank, it's training para guys, training. Veteran, next is the rank of master. So I'll show you in another game that has this privilege of rank of the year for the training. So that's why I'll show you, okay, in another game. I'll be back. We're here now of Heroes Arena. So I'll show you the ranking also in here. Wait a minute. Rush is going back. So here is the Heroes of Arena. So we will show you the rank also here. That same of the in another. So we're doing the hero. Then I'll show you. This is also the.
I'm here to restore the balance of nature.
Title of the prophecy. So that's the rank, guys. So the rank of my one, guys, is bronze champion. If I will make it bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, that's the kind of the rank of the server. So they're the same, right? So that's why the Honor of Kings and the Heroes of Arena is the mashup of the ML and the other Arena Valor, then other of the games. That's all, and thanks for watching, guys. See ya. Bye bye.